on YouTube.
Yeah, you know it. Okay, say hi to YouTube, Brandon.
Hi YouTube. I usually watch YouTube a lot.
I know you do. Okay, ready? Let's do it. Be a role model. Do this faster now. 1E and a 2. You have 5 more times.
Because I did it only 5 times.
Yeah, 5 more times. Yes, go.
1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a.
Good. Now make sure you don't have a gap right here, right? So right away 4E and a jump. Okay? One more time. Yeah. That's right. All right, here we go from the beginning.
Oh, on that rest gives me time to move my left hand.
Yes, that's correct.
1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E, 4E and a 1E and a 2E.
Okay, drill from 4. Drill from 4. It's okay. Yep.
3E and a 4E, 4E and a 3E.
No.
Too
Okay.
early.
Too early. Yes. Go from 3 again.
1E and a 1E and a 1 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a
Good.
2E
From the
and a
beginning.
3E
23.
and 4E and
Go. Take a deep breath. Go.
1E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Go again. Faster.
1E and a 2E and 1E and a 2.
Wait.
1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and 1 and 2 and.
Oh wait, hold on. Okay, so you remember, you have to hold that D for and right? So I know you're getting prepared, but you still have to hold it and 1. So when you go to and 1, last time.
1E and 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E
Good.
and a 3E and a 4E and a.